Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about backup and recovery, part of database management system course. Backup and recovery refers to the process of creating and maintaining copies of a database and restoring the database from a backup copy if the original data is lost or corrupted. There are several types of backup and recovery strategies that can be used in a database, such as full backup. A full backup is a complete copy of the database, including all the data and database objects. Full backups are typically performed on a regular basis, such as daily or weekly, and are used to create a complete snapshot of the database at a specific point in time. An incremental backup is a copy of the database that includes only the data that has changed since the last full or incremental backup. Incremental backups are typically performed more frequently than full backups and are used to capture changes to the database in a more timely manner. A differential backup is a copy of the database that includes only the data that has changed since the last full backup. Differential backup are typically performed less frequently than incremental backup and are used to capture changes to the database in a more efficient manner. A log backup is a copy of transaction log of a database, which includes a record of all the changes made to the database. Log backups are typically performed more frequently than other types of backups and are used to enable point-in-time recovery of the database. It is important to carefully plan and implement a backup and recovery strategy for a database to ensure that the data is protected and can be restored if necessary. This can include measures such as scheduling regular backups, testing the backup and recovery procedures, and storing the backup copies in a secure location. By implementing an effective backup and recovery strategy, it is possible to ensure the availability and integrity of the data in a database. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.